Hey everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Bienvenidos a mi cocina. Today I bring you a delicious dish from Cuba. It's a classic recipe called Enchilado de Langosta. And in English, it's called lobster Creole. But before we get started, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss out on any recipes. Hoy traigo una receta clásica de Cuba. Se llama Enchilado de Langosta. Antes de empezar, suscríbete a mi canal y toca la campana para no perderte mis videos. So I'm going to start off with 3 lobster tails, and I'm using Caribbean lobster tails. They're the ones found with the dots on them, and they're found in warmer waters, like the Caribbean islands. So you'll find them in places like Cuba, Dominican Republic, and etc. They're much sweeter than the northern lobster tails that are found in Canada and in places in upper the United States, in northern United States. Estoy usando colas de langosta caribeña. Si no sabe de esta langosta, se encuentra en aguas más cálidas, en lugares como Cuba, Florida, Puerto Rico, etc. Y saben más dulce que los que están en aguas frías. Ahora voy a picar todas las verduras para preparar el sofrito criollo. Now I'm going to prepare all my vegetables so that I can make my sofrito. This is a sofrito criollo. So I'm going to chop all my vegetables up and then I will get them ready for my pot. When you get ready to cut up your lobster tail, there's a vein that runs straight through the middle, and you have to remove it. You can either have your butcher take it out so that you don't have to do it when you get home, or if you don't have the butcher do it, you have to remove it because you can get sick. Cuando se limpia la langosta, quita el tripe o la vena. Es muy importante para evitar que se enferme. So after you cut up your lobster tail, then you want to add some dry seasoning to both the shrimp and the lobster. Una vez que haya terminado de cortar las langosta, echa tu condimento seco. So now I'm adding some extra virgin olive oil to my pan, and I'm going to add the lobsters into the pan and saute them until they turn an orange color. Precaliente tu sartén y echa aceite de oliva. Necesitas un buen aceite de oliva para hacer esta receta. Le da un sabor muy rico. Cocina la langosta hasta que el color cambie a un color naranja. Una vez que las verduras se ablanden, agrega los camarones. Once the vegetables are softened, then you're going to add in the shrimps. Mézclalo todo bien y siguiente agrega todos los ingredientes. Then you're going to add in all the other ingredients. Into the sauce. Now I already used sazon completa and on the shrimps and the lobster tail, so I'm not going to add that, but I'm going to add everything else. Voy a agregar un poco de condimento seco, no todo, porque agregué sazón completa sobre la langosta y los camarones. Now I'm adding only a quarter teaspoon of red pepper flakes, but if you don't want to add it, you don't have to. You can add hot sauce. Okay, ahora voy a agregar el resto de los condimentos secos. Voy a echar un cuarto cucharadita de ají molido. Si no quiere añadir esto, se puede usar salsa picante. Now I'm adding in half of a lime. And lime or lemon, you can use lemon if you prefer, gives seafood a really delicious flavor. Ahora voy a agregar jugo de limón verde. Puede usar limón si prefieras. Le da un sabor rico, más rico. And I'm going to show you the rest of my dinner. I'm also making some white rice. And along with that, I'm making fried plantains. Esto es también lo que estoy comiendo con el enchilado de langosta. arroz blanco y tostones. Finalmente está listo. Voy a agregar el ají asado. So I added my roasted pepper and now I'm going to serve dinner. Bueno, mis cariños, aquí tiene mi rico enchilado de langosta. This also goes well with harina de maíz, which is cornmeal. You can pair it with boniato, any kind of vegetable, and it also goes well with pasta. If you make this dish, let me know how you enjoy making it. Este plato puede acompañar con harina de maíz, boniato, las verduras, pasta, spaghetti, etc. ¿Cómo te gusta preparar la tuya? Qué bellísimo este plato. Voy a probarla. Muy divina. Sabe jugosa, suavecita y muy riquísima. This tastes fantastic. And I know lobster is expensive, but it's worth every dollar that you spent. Well, my friends, it's time for me to go. I want to thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. Please subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so you'll know when I'm uploading new videos. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and Reddit. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Bueno, mis amores, es hora para irme. Si te gusta este video, dale un like, suscríbete a mi canal y haz clic la campana para no perderte mis videos. Adiós. Hasta la próxima. Muchas bendiciones. Bye-bye.